Hi, I'm Ken Chung with Norgren. Here to talk to you about a topic that is always going to be around, that's washdown. Whether you're in packaging or food and beverage, any type of processing environment where you need to keep the equipment clean, it's coming in contact with food, you want to resist contamination, we're going to be talking about washdown. And we know our customers are increasingly facing pressure to use more caustic solvents. They may use higher pressure washes so they can clean faster. The whole idea is to keep your machine uptime as high as possible and minimize the required time for clean in place. And what that means for us, and what we try to do here at Norgren, is make sure that we design our products, our actuators, and our different fittings and components to be able to provide the ingress protection to prevent dust, water, things like that from getting in, as well as being able to handle the different types of chemical solvents. So what we do here is pick the right materials, pick the right hygienic design, so that when you use caustic solvents, they're compatible with the materials that we have on our products. And the design, the hygienic design, ensures that the high pressure washing, the cleaning, runs off, doesn't pool, doesn't get into the crevices, and doesn't cause contamination. So here, what we have here in this display is a variety of pneumatic actuators and electric actuators to demonstrate the type of washdown protection that is needed for different applications. We have compact pneumatic actuators, our flat one design, that's all stainless steel, that's our SSFO series. We have our original line stainless steel. We have original line electric as well, if you need electric instead of pneumatic. All of these have been designed to be able to handle washdown in those CIP or clean in place required environments. And it's something we recognize will continue to exist, and we will continue to evolve with our customers to be able to handle different chemicals, different cleaning type practices to make sure their equipment is able to meet the requirements of their applications. For more information, please visit www.norgren.com or bimba.com. As always, thank you.